What's boppin', Jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. We got the whips out, all of them. Oh, they don't know about that. As you see, we got some more whips over there, but we got the Golf jacked up, and in front of us, we got these GTI skirts by Maxton. Not on a GTI. Got the fender finally fixed and painted, so that does mean we got Golf R rocker panels painted and mounted on the Golf, so these look sick. But we're about to install these black ones under these. It's gonna look even better, so let's get to it. This is the first one we're gonna put on. So you got an arrow. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off. Get this prepped, ready to mount. We got it all mocked up. Damn, it's gonna look dope. So we tried to tap screw one of these, didn't really like hold, so we're gonna, this car here has just Christmas tree clips all along, so we're gonna drill some holes, see if those work. We need to get a drill bit that will fit that right there. So we're gonna test drill a couple bits. There we go. Put that in. It's the smallest one. Yeah, definitely need the bigger one. We're gonna use the 13/64. The next size didn't do. Let's do the next size. Way different. Is that the one? Yeah. I think that's it. You can slide up now. Oh shit. I think we should do one more. Like, I'm in, but I don't think it'll go through this. I think it worked. Yeah, you can see a little bit of space, but it's okay, you know. We're gonna start mounting the back and then try to screw a bunch in so it stays. And 3M. Also, we got the first thing in the front. We're gonna try to
lay this piece of 3M ring.
Yeah, we laid that. It should go right there. Oh. So weird how it does that. Open it up. Yep. Christmas tree. Stuck her in. It's a little flimsy, but let's self-tap it. Self-tap a bunch of them. And this shit's gonna look sick, doggy. Okay, let's pray these go in, Maxton. They're self-tap, so they like just keep threading, but if we put enough, it should be good. So I got another self-thread over there. There's just like a little more space. All right, just zapped another. Now it's looking actually really good. Now I'm confident. You just chewed up this pretty nice. No-itty. How's it look, boys? I got all 10 screws in there. Cause I ain't risking nothing. So let's take everything under, take the jack down and then see how she looks, start on the other side, yada yada. Alrighty, Jesus. You know, we're a little high here because we did just jack the car up, but get some air suspension, that'll move. Bro, but the skirts look gas, man. Alright, let's jack up this side. Alright, so drilled the holes for the Christmas tree clips, then the self-taps will go all along there. Damn, look at him go, Billy. Oh, Enzo? Yo, Enzo, slide. Oh, go for it. Almost did the overtake. That'd have been hard. Anyways, self-taps, sticky tape, cool stickers at the end. Oh, excuse me, little guys. Kind of away, man. Come on. Fucking always drink water, guys. Every time we get something from Maxton, we literally think that this is the shape it comes in. We're like, what the hell? And then we're like, oh. Like every part we've installed so far. Got the Christmas tree clip in there. Just drilled the hole for the second one. Those are in here. So, gonna pop that in. Let me undo this too. There you go. Put it in, you can put it in first. This shit's gonna look so much better. Exterior's all done. Maxton skirt, Maxton lip, Maxton diffuser. Got it?
Yep. Now you just gotta self-tap them bitches in.
I did, how many, 9 on that side? I'm just gonna do as many as I can. And then we're gonna put her down and see how she looks. Alrighty, all bolted up. You wanna film the drop? Get this trash. Get this trash. Drop it low, bro. Drop her low.
Clean all the tools so you can use them later. You want this?
Oh, last detail.
Almost forgot.
If you see my lip, came with one. I think that one is like right before the end. What do you think?
Like right here? That's cool.
Wow, it does feel really sturdy.
You can see there's like no play.
Let's put these little bad boys away.
So we're gonna pull out.
All right, time to get some in and out.
Alrighty, we parked over here. Bro, it looks just like finished. Like before it looked so lifeless here, now it looks so clean from any angle because we got the front lip, side skirts, then the diffuser. Sheesh. Sick. God damn. So Golf R skirts, GTI Maxton skirts. Hello. She's looking pretty. Now all she needs is some baggies and then she'll be perfect. Alrighty boys, that concludes this one. We're gonna go get some Burgesses in the Sting. Catch you later in the next one. Wait till the next one. Watch the next one. Watch the last one and the next one, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been wanting to do this for so long. Oh boy.
Look at that. Some gross stuff. Sheesh.